Here's how to buy more credits on Audible on your computer. Just so you know this information is legit, a lot of it is straight from the Audible site. The rest is from my personal experience as an Audible user of almost 10 years. This is how to do it on your computer. I don't know if you can do this on the app on your phone, but you should still be able to do it on your phone anyway using your internet browser, be it Safari or Google Chrome. But let's get to it, because if you're out of credits, at least you're listening to audiobooks. Self-education is literally one of the very best things that you can do for yourself. Step 1, log into the Audible site. Step 2, next to your name, click on the option to buy more credits. Step 3, click on the option to buy whichever credit bundle it is that you want, and you're set. I did a video about buying credits like a year ago, and I got a few questions about it in the comments. So if you're trying to do this and it doesn't work, this is why. In order to be eligible for buying extra credits on Audible, you must be a paid Audible Premium Plus member for over 30 days, and you also must have less than 2 credits left in your account. If both of these do not apply to you, you will not see that option. Otherwise, you should see it where it says it is in the video. But a few recommendations from here. For more information on credits, I made an updated video about how they work in 2024, and I'll link that below. When you buy more credits, for a long time, you could only buy 3 at a time, and that was the only option. But in February 2024, I went to buy more credits myself and learned that that's not true anymore. So for more info on what changed, I'll drop a link to my video about that too. And lastly, for a more general idea on what Audible is, how it works, credits, memberships, and just a walkthrough of the app, I did a video going over all of this, and I'll link that in the description below as well. That video is so fire, it goes over so much information in a concise amount of time that I'm basically plugging it on every single video I can for 2024 about Audible, because I believe it's that important of information to share. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. Most of my videos are book reviews and they're like 10-15 minutes long. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere, and I will see you then.